In this chapter, we actually have to look at the places in Atlas. First, what is desert? It is an arid region characterized by extremely high, only high is wrong, extremely high or low temperature which has scarce vegetation is called as desert. Now, when we are talking about Sahara, you should be knowing the countries which actually fall under this region. Then, it is important for you to look at this, that there are cave paintings present where people have drawn elephants and other things, which indicates that this region was dominated with good forests. But over a period of time, the desert had spread in the entire region. Right? So it's important for us to look at this factual information. Al-Aziza in Sahara, south of Tripoli, recorded the highest temperature in this region. Desert, during sun rays in the morning, high temperature because there are no clouds or water vapor to absorb the sun's rays. So because of this, the heating will be more. In nights, the entire earth cools up quickly, and because of which you see extreme cold temperature in the night. Summer and winter, you also see extremes of temperature. The nights may be freezing cold with temperatures nearing 0 degrees. And animals, camels and all, right? No need to worry much. Then, oasis, again, you may be aware, I'll give you a factual information. Just see what exactly is this. If they give you in 100 words, you should be able to know. This is more important. Tafi Lalet Oasis in the Morocco is a large oasis with an area of about 13,000 square kilometer. What exactly is it? Depressions are formed when the wind blows away the sand. Wind, whenever it blows, it carries the sand. I have showed you different shapes of rocks present in deserts, mainly because of the action of wind. In the depressions where underground water reaches the surface, oasis is called. A depression will be formed, and when the sand is removed, underground water comes up. We call it to be oasis, right? And it is here where people are usually present. Mostly oil is present in this region. The second most important thing is about the Ladakh or cold desert. And when we are talking about cold desert, here we are talking about Ladakh, right? They talked about the mountain pass country, and they are actually talking about it is present in Karakoram mountain ranges in the north and Zaskar mountain ranges in the south. Indus River actually flows, and several glaciers are actually present in this region. Kargil is also present. Please try to look at the Ladakh region, and this portion is actually your Aksai Chin, which is disputed between India and China. Then we need to talk about the flora and fauna. The chiru or the Tibetan antelope is an endangered species. They may ask you this question, so please be careful. It is hunted for its wool called shautush, which is light in weight and extremely warm. The finest cricket bats are actually made from the willow trees which are present in this region, right? So these facts are important. Apart from this, nothing much. Buddhist monasteries are present, usually called as gompas in this region, and these are also called as extensions of Tibetan monasteries. Then these passes are important. La means mountain passes. Manali to Leh highway crosses through 4 mountain ranges: Rohtangla, Barachala, Lungalachala, Tanglangla. All the things which are present in Do You Know, you can make a note of it and see it on the last day. From prelims point of view, not required from mains, but from prelims it is very, very important. They have given about the dance forms and other things which are not so important for you. Guys, whatever is required for you from exam point of view, I have explained. Few chapters have just finished in 5 to 10 minutes. Few chapters we have spent half an hour to 45 minutes. The reason for this is, wherever the basics is required, I am going in detail and giving you. Geography is all about 2 types of questions. One is factual. It may be associated with current affairs or it may not be associated with current affairs. But two types. One is factual, facts related, which will be there in NCERT books. Second, concepts. The concepts will be briefly explained in NCERT, but there I need to go in detail to explain you about them, because questions are mostly about these concepts. If you read the lines, you won't remember. It may look factual, but you need to remember for long. For that, we need to understand the concepts. But whenever we actually look at this human geography, at least from prelims point of view, we have to go through these basic factual informations once. So with this, we will be covering 7th standard NCERT book. Yes, I have taken a lot of time, but with the help of NCERT books, we will be covering entire geography, where your Savindra Singh, Majid Hussain and all these books can be covered effectively with this. But wherever the concepts are not clear, we will be explaining the separate topics. As I have told you, transport is my responsibility, where I'll cover them in detail. Right guys? Thank you. Thanks for watching.